Hello everyone, myself Dr. Sunil Meherwade and I am a consulting ophthalmologist at Dr. J.H. Meherwade Eye Care Center at Gadag in Karnataka. Today I would like to show you this OgleScopeX and OgleScope fundus imaging devices, which I am going to unbox now. So this is the case which it comes with, and this is a very robust case actually. I am unzipping it and okay, the OgleScopeX is here and this is how it is arranged in this, and these are the metal strips which comes in this bag. These are required to attach the smartphone to this OgleScopeX. This is the scope and this is how it looks, and this is the smartphone attaching end, and this side we focus it towards the patient. Let me show you how I have used this with my smartphone. So this is the metal strip and this comes with this glue here. You can just remove this and stick this on the back surface of your smartphone or on the back surface of your back panel of the smartphone, or how I have done, I have just kept it here in between the smartphone and the back panel like this. The metal plate is actually not seen also here, and once this is done, I take this smartphone and the OgleScope and just stick this, and you are actually ready to go ahead. And this is so strong that this will not get detached or it will not even fall so easily. You can see this. I am just making random movements here. So very easy to attach it and very easy to use it. So this is about the OgleScopeX. This comes with built-in 20 diopter lens here, which is this side. Let me show you OgleScope. The OgleScope also comes with similar casing. Let me unzip it. So this is the OgleScope and these are two lens holders, and this is similar metal plate, and this also works on similar mechanism. Let me use this one. I have to just place it here, and I can use my old 20 diopter lens to snap it here. So let me show you how I put it. This is the lens holder and this is the old lens, and you just have to use your two fingers and push it, and it's done, and it's not going to fall. And if you want to remove it, just pull it like this. That's it. And if you want to try this, you can go ahead and visit the website www.ogleworld.com, and you can find all the details there. Thank you.